If all you have is a heat press, you can start your professional heat printing business today. Let me introduce you to TruePrint Custom Transfers by Heat Press Nation. You don't need a new printer or a large screen printing setup. You can now order professional screen print, direct-to-film, and sublimation transfers that are ready to press straight from Heat Press Nation right to your door. There's no replacement for screen printing with its unique look, feel, and wear. But not everybody can bring a full screen print setup into their home or shop. And that's where TruePrint by Heat Press Nation has a solution. We offer 3 different screen printed products that you can apply with just a heat press. First, we have our single sheets. Now, these sheets allow you to print a single image in one of 33 different Pantone matched ink colors. We also have our gang sheets. Now, on a gang sheet, you could fit as many different images as you want on a 12 by 12 inch sheet. And last but not least, we have our screen printed puff transfers. These transfers are printed with a special ink that puffs when it's heat pressed, giving an incredible 3-dimensional look and feel to your images. Our puff transfers are also going to be single image sheets with your choice of one of 16 different specialty puff ink colors. For all screen printed products, the minimum order quantity is only 12 pieces, with price breaks as your order quantity increases. Direct-to-film printing has taken the garment decoration industry by storm, and for good reason. With DTF, you can now heat press full-color, retail quality transfers onto t-shirts, hats, hoodies, and more. TruePrint is proud to offer the very best possible custom DTF prints to everyone. TruePrint offers sheets in various sizes, which allows you to print your single images with no color limitations. We also have gang sheets available to give you the best value when ordering prints. And best of all, there are no minimums with TruePrint DTF. You could order as little or as many transfers as you need to fulfill your jobs and keep your customers happy. With TruePrint Sublimation gang sheets, large format sublimation prints are more accessible than ever before. Like our other gang sheets, you could fit as many different graphics as you like within the set dimensions. Whether it's 2 large prints or 200 small prints, we have you covered with our high resolution prints made using top-of-the-line sublimation inks and paper. There are no minimums, and you'll be able to use standard heat transfer settings for all your favorite projects. With TruePrint Custom Transfers by Heat Press Nation, your heat press is all you need to run your print shop. Let our screen print, direct-to-film, and sublimation professionals take care of the hard work so you can have more time to focus on what matters most for you and your business. You can find more information and order your own TruePrint Custom Transfers today at heatpressnation.com.